Hello all, welcome back. This is DJ, your IELTS trainer. So as I promised in the previous video, this video is gonna be a map question solving video. Yes, with examples, we are going to see how to solve the map question. Basically, when you take a pen on paper based exam, map question solving will be a bit easy. What you have to do is take your pen or pencil and place it on a map. Do not strictly place it on the questions. You have to or must to place it on the map. So once you place it on the map, the audio starts playing. Listen to the directions and listen to the hints which is already present in the map, and it will be very much easy for you when you grasp the hints and write down the answers. What you have to do is, once the audio starts playing, listen to the direction and write down the names on the maps near to the alphabets. So you might ask, oh, when will I write the answer then? When will I write the answer to the question? It's very easy. They'll give you few seconds to check your answers, right? During that time, you can note all your answers in the question paper and it will be easy for you to transfer. When you're taking a computer-based exam, you might feel a bit difficulties, but what you have to do is you have to practice n number of test papers. You have to do more practices. So even for you, it will be easy, so that you can increase your concentration and focus, and also you can get familiarized with all the hints. So now let's just go into the example and let's see how we solve together.
Questions 11 to 16.
As chair of the Town Council Subcommittee on Park Facilities, I'd like to bring you up to date on some of the changes that have been made recently to the Croft Valley Park. So if you could just take a look at the map I handed out, let's begin with a general overview. So, the basic arrangement of the park hasn't changed. It still has 2 gates, north and south, and a lake in the middle. The cafe continues to serve an assortment of drinks and snacks, and is still in the same place, looking out over the lake and next to the old museum.
So what the hint we got over here is, it is next to the old museum.
We're hoping to change the location of the toilets and bring them nearer to the centre of the park, as they're a bit out of the way at present, near the adventure playground, in the corner of your map.
Another hint we got here is, it is placed in the corner of the map. So in the corner of the map, we only have one alphabet, which is C. So another hint is, they aren't yet changed it. They are going to change it. So it is not changed yet. It is still in the place of C.
The formal gardens have been replanted and should be at their best in a month or two. They used to be behind the old museum, but we've now used the space near the south gate.
They used to be. It's a past tense. It's a complete past tense. So it is not in that area now. It has been moved to some other area. What is that area? Near the south gate. So it is now, the formal garden is now placed near the south gate.
Between the park boundary and the path that goes past the lake towards the old museum. We have a new outdoor gym for adults and children, which is already proving very popular. It's by the glass houses, just to the right of the path from the south gate. You have to look for it, as it's a bit hidden in the trees.
We have 3 sorts of hints over here. First hint is glass house. Second hint is, it is right side of the south gate. And third hint is, it is hidden between the trees. So these are the 3 hints we got over here.
One very successful introduction has been our skateboard ramp. It's in constant use during the evenings and holidays. It's near the old museum, at the end of a little path that leads off from the main path between the lake and the museum.
So again, we have got 2 hints over here. The skateboard is where it is placed. It is placed near the old museum, and there is a small path which is getting diverted from the main path. And in the map, there is only one small path is being diverted, and that's obviously is going to be A.
We've also introduced a new area for wildflowers to attract bees and butterflies. It's on a bend in the path that goes round the east side of the lake, just south of the adventure playground.
Oh, that's going to be really, really easy because there is a intensive bend in the map only in one area, and another hint is it is placed in the east side of the map. So they have clearly given you the map, the vision of the map with the direction east, west, and north and south. Okay, so using this all sort of hints which is already placed in your map is really, really gonna help you. Just focus and listen to the audio, because in the audio they'll completely give you all sort of tips to how to identify the answers. So this is how you easily identify all the answers in map questions. Stay tuned to the next upcoming episodes and videos. Also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.